Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap the three lines at the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. At the top, you'll find the Account Center and click that. Next, tap on Add Personal Details and go to Account Ownership and Control. And here, you'll find the option for deactivation or deletion and simply tap on it. Choose your Instagram or Facebook account and select whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. So deactivation is selected by default, and then tap Continue if you're sure that you want to deactivate your account. So in here, you'll have to enter your Instagram account password for verification, and then after that, you'll just have to choose a reason for deactivation and click Continue again. To complete the process, tap Deactivate Account, and your account will not be visible on Instagram after that. So yeah, you can reactivate it at any time by logging back in or through the Account Center. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!